Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to set up automatic stop loss and take profit in Tradingview. This helps us manage risk and lock in profits without having to watch our trades all the time. Auto loss, also called stop loss, SL, and take profit, TP, in Tradingview are set by entering price levels directly in the order panel. When placing a trade and creating a bracket order, these levels will automatically close the position for us. To manage this and secure profits without manual monitoring, we can use fixed prices, percentages, ATR-based indicators, or dynamic automatic access. The purpose of auto loss and take profit in Tradingview is to help us manage risk and secure profits automatically, so we do not need to watch the chart all the time. Auto stop loss limits losses by closing a trade if the price hits a certain level, while take profit secures gains by closing the trade once our target is reached. Together, these features help us stay disciplined, reduce emotional trading, and protect our account from sudden market changes. In this video, we will show you how to set up automatic loss and profit targets in Tradingview, so our risk and reward are clear before we enter a trade. Now let's get started. Let's open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to tradingview.com and we will be redirected to the main page. After being redirected to the main page, we log into our account. Once logged in, let's go to Products. Under Products, we can see Supercharts. We click Supercharts and we will be redirected to the main chart page. Here, we can see charts for markets, prices, indices, stocks, futures, or Forex. We can view all the activities of profit and gains. To set up auto loss and take profit, we first go to Trade. For this example, we will use paper trading. Let's open this trade. We can choose stocks or anything we want. Under this pop-up column, we can see the exit. This is where we begin setting up. Press this drop-down menu. Here, we can see the take profit price. For the setup, we can set the take profit price and the stop loss price target. We can set the amount we want to be stopped. It's up to us where we want to set our targets. Click this one and then click this one. Now, we are set up with auto stop loss and take profit in Tradingview. Automating our risk management helps us stay disciplined and consistent in every trade. Set your risk, lock in your targets, and let's trade without emotions.